Okay, so see if this sounds familiar. You come in on Monday morning, and the first thing you do is look at the shift log to see who was operating the facility over the week. And you do this because you know it wasn't one of the senior operators because they did their time on weekend shift already. Those years ago. So we know it's got to be a new operator, more prone to mistakes. But how bad the mistakes are, what the corrective actions are, and how big the impact is going to be is really based on which new operator it is. But you always check because you know that's how long it's going to take to correct those mistakes. That's how much of your time is spent in an unknown status putting out fires. So what can we do to address this continually widening gap we're seeing in our facilities, which ultimately impacts your safety, your health, and your ability to operate reliably? Well, I've been working on a solution that I call the Digital Operator. It's a customizable bolt-on software solution, and it allows operators to digitally collect and interpret and act on that information as if we were all sitting together at the same table, making the informed decision. Even better, the solution can be built with various software packages your plant already uses, with recommendations for tools you may not have. It connects your existing SCADA with other databases, so it is truly bolt-on and requires no coding. The result is a solution that uses available technology to get safe, standard, and reliable conditions for all operators. Technology will not replace operators, but it should be used to protect them. Interested in learning more about the Digital Operator? Feel free to contact us.